Now know my bitches be coming from miles around. See, they be coming, cause they know how to gouge.
Turn it up, now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Niggas still looking and trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with you niggas is clowns. Making the bitches strip and throw this shit on the ground.
Get low, now that's the way that it goes. When we up in the spot, the shit be flooded with holes. Come on, see when you make it hot, the chicks will come out their clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy already know my
Turn it up, shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out. Watch her trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her. And as we start again, we ringing the bell. When I come, I be doing it and doing it well. Then